What are you doing?
I was told to do that.
Get out.
Okay. Okay.
So, I was reading through your resume, and I saw that... This isn't even a real mine. You're fired. There's a job position available. So, I was reading over your resume, and I saw that your name is insert fake name.
Indeed, but it's pronounced Insarte for Kaname.
So then, Inserate for Kaname. It says here on your resume that...
Ah yes, well there is the fact that I am the master of the birds, but I also like falconry. It is pretty cool, I've got to say. The best part is, I'm the best here, not wanting to brag.
Quite. Now, you see, I'm looking for someone to go the extra mile. Someone to make this company the best it can be. Can you?
This company's a joke, right? You want people to work harder than what they can.
Well, this is a tough job. And no! This is the third time this week. No. Go. Sorry, they seem to have trouble with my disciplinary actions. Now, until I get this company off the ground...
You're a startup company?
Yes. Well, pretty much. We started around 3 months ago, and we've had other interviews.
Right. See, I feel this is going to be a bad job, so how much pay do I get per hour?
The average wage for someone like you would be 10 to 20 cents per hour, but believe me, that's good. See?
You cheat.
But I don't think, we'll call you.
You know what? I never needed this anyway. I'm fine with my falcons and other good things I do. So good day to you, sir. Exit's this way.
I'm not gonna call him.
I need money.
Hello, you just watched the Unease series' first episode, the interview that went wrong. So basically this was the first short film that I actually made, and it was absolute shit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the shitness of it, and I just re-edit. I just sort of color-coded it, that's all I did really. I couldn't be fucked re-editing it, it was just a piece of shit. Okay, bye-bye. Oh yes, one last thing. Try and find the missing link. It's in the video somewhere, you just have to look for it. Goodbye.